Feeling overwhelmed by endless provider options for your Kodi setup? Let's change that right now. Today, we are bringing you a quick, reliable way to install IPTV on your Kodi device easily. In just a few simple steps, you'll transform your media center into something extraordinary. Let's dive into the process, starting with downloading Kodi on your chosen device first. Next, we'll explore the add-ons necessary to stream all IPTV channels. This part is crucial. Navigate to the settings on Kodi and ensure unknown sources is enabled. Key for installation. Now, you'll want to add a new source within the file manager. This is where it gets exciting. Enter the URL from a trusted IPTV source like 2tv.store-change your viewing game. After adding the source, head over to the add-ons and select Install from zip file. Next, simply follow the prompts on screen to complete your IPTV add-on installation. Now, head back to your video add-ons category and find your new IPTV service ready. Experience a variety of content, streaming seamlessly. A whole new entertainment dimension awaits. With 2tv.store, you'll access an immense lineup, boosting your media enjoyment unprecedentedly. Say goodbye to buffering and restricted content. Your streaming future starts here today. Sharing knowledge is caring. Show your friends this method so they can enhance their setups too. Remember, the right IPTV provider changes everything. Explore 2tv.store and elevate your Kodi experience.